And now we are going to describe the different types of stem cells. So we agreed that stem cells are the undifferentiated dividing cells that occur in adult animal tissues and need to be constantly replaced. And we have different types of stem cells which are classified according to their ability to differentiate. The first type is the totipotent stem cells. These are found in the early embryo and can differentiate into any type of cell. The second type of stem cells are the pluripotent stem cells. These cells are the embryonic stem cells that can differentiate into any cell type found in an embryo. But they are not able to differentiate into extra embryonic cells, such as the cells that make up the placenta. Examples of pluripotent stem cells are the embryonic stem cells and the fetal stem cells. The third type of stem cells are the multipotent stem cells. Multipotent stem cells are found in adults and can differentiate into a limited number of specialized cells. For example, the stem cells that are found in the bone marrow are multipotent adult stem cells. They can only differentiate into blood cells such as the red blood cells, monocytes, and lymphocytes. And finally, we have the unipotent stem cells. Unipotent stem cells are the adult cells that can only differentiate into one type of cells. They are derived from the multipotent stem cells and are made in the adult tissue. For example, the heart muscle cells, the cardiomyocytes, can generate new cardiomyocytes through the cell cycle to build and replace heart muscle.